All right, Paint Gelding, foaled in 2003. Keno Skipping Joker. Yep, registered APHA. He's
down there in Love Valley, North Carolina, where he came out of, right there out of Archdale.
Yep, he was foaled in North Carolina. That's where he was bred and raised.
He probably follows other horses better than he goes by himself.
Okay, was used on a dude ranch, has been on trails, and probably used as a hack horse, so he probably will follow better, but he's doing real good riding out on his own. Okay, he was Killbuyer owned. The tag on his halter is the same one that was on that Cremello horse that we evaluated today, owned by the Killbuyer. So this horse was plucked out of heading to slaughter and offered a chance thanks to the combined efforts to save him. Cute little mover, young horse, pretty. Good. Watch your reins, sweetheart. Can you bring him back to a walk, sweetie? Perfect. That's okay. Great job. He comes back to a nice slow walk. Needs a little bit of work on bending, but that's okay. He's doing real good for a hack horse.
Most hack horses won't move.
It's because he has a phenomenal rider who needs to smile so she can show off her pretty face. You can't quit. We need you. The horses need you, sweetheart.
Put that pretty smile on.
Yay! Right into a canter, baby. Girl, look what you can do.
Woo! Whoop, whoop, whoop.
It's not easy riding horses that you don't know or that you've never been on. She does a phenomenal job. So everybody needs to thank Amanda for getting on these horses every week and helping them get a chance to go into homes. Good job, Amanda. Thank you.